All right, these are video detail notes for customer Emily Ray. Basically, we've got the other side of the room, no problem, two straight pieces, one on the left with a left-hand side splash, 4-inch backsplash with a waterfall edge. The one on the right is a 4-inch backsplash waterfall edge. This was originally Canyon Slate in a Formica color, but they're changing to a new color everywhere. Now here's where the water replacement cabinets had to be done. And what we've got here, if you take a look, there's actually margin here of about 1 inch or so, and at the bottom you can see the cabinet is kicked out almost 1 3/4 inches, 2 inches at the bottom. That means, you know, as far as plumb or whatever, no big deal, but here at the front where the corner is, that comes together. But if you look at the cabinet back here, the cabinet is literally pulled off the wall almost 3/4 of an inch. I can get my finger, or 1/2 inch, I'll get my fingers behind it. Similarly, when you look here at the bottom of the cabinets, where these two cabinets come together, there is a huge gap here at the bottom, and that would indicate that the face frames are not parallel or level to each other. What's going to happen is this sink base is going to have to slide down the wall that direction, and a small filler needs to be added right here that is parallel to that face frame, 45 into this end, but parallel to that face frame, and that'll slide down far enough to make it where an end panel, see right here, when I go perpendicular to that wall, I'm at 24.5 inches, so that will slide down and make it perpendicular to that wall when an end panel goes at 24 inches. So a small filler needs to be added here, and then an end panel needs to be added here to where the dishwasher will have a 24-inch opening. Right now, off the corner of that cabinet, it's 26.5 inches. And so we're missing basically a 2.5-inch base end panel to the right of the sink base, left of the dishwasher. Otherwise, 4-inch backsplash. If you look at the backsplash here, these cabinets are sitting at about 5 1/4 inches. Our countertops are going to be 5 1/2 inches tall. So when you're looking at fitting, it won't fit right underneath it. What that means is we'll need to order this top with no buildup on the bottom so that we can adjust the buildup in the field to make it fit under that tile. No problem, we can do that, but we're going to have to order this top with no buildup underneath it as a lip over top. And then here on the right, we need to for sure order the right hand side splash. Now the customer's also wanting to get an upper bar to match the same color. If you look at the detail of this, the upper bar actually is cut into the wall at the corner. And so looking at measurements, we're ordering this top right at 2 inches longer than it measures, and then ordering this leg capped 2 inches longer so that we can cut that in the field to make it fit. Again, we'll order that all to template. We'll have to come out and measure one more time after the adjustment of the cabinets so that everything will work correctly. Right now, the sink base is not in the center where it should be. Some other things have to be fixed, so we'll have to come and measure for the cabinet tops after the cabinets are adjusted. If you have any other questions for me, give me a call at 423-650-1051. Thanks very much.